Everyone has something broken at home, a little crack here, a snap there. And we all have that same dangerous thought, I can fix this. But let's be honest, most of the time, we can't. Today we're diving into the chaos and testing 5 weird, questionably useful, but somehow effective ways to fix broken stuff in 5 minutes or less. Welcome to Lifejesting, where mistakes are mandatory and success is purely optional. First up on our list of questionable repairs, toothpaste. Yes, the very same stuff that keeps your teeth shiny. The internet claims it can also bond plastic. So let's give it a shot. Step 1 is to clean the surface, get rid of any dust or despair. Step 2, apply a nice, thick layer of toothpaste. It smells minty fresh, which is a good sign, right? And step 3, we wait for it to dry, or until our patience runs out, whichever comes first. Okay, moment of truth. And, well, it looks fine until you actually touch it. Then it just crumbles into a sad, minty pile. So, toothpaste as a plastic fix? That's a firm no from me. Next, we have a hack that's a little bit on the dangerous side, so please be careful if you ever consider this. We're going to use a heated metal tool to essentially melt the edges of broken plastic back together. I'm heating up the tip of this small metal fork over a lighter, getting it nice and hot. Now, I'll carefully press it along the crack, melting both sides just enough to fuse them. Press the pieces together until they cool down. Congratulations, you've just performed some low-budget plastic welding. I will warn you, it smells absolutely terrible, but surprisingly, it holds. It's kind of like my YouTube upload schedule. A bit shaky, but it gets the job done. Now for a truly legendary combination, superglue and baking soda. This one is a game changer. You just need a drop of superglue, followed by a pinch of baking soda sprinkled on top. What happens next is like magic. It creates an instant stone-hard filler. It's like having cement in a bottle that sets in seconds. But a word of caution, this mixture bonds skin faster than you can say oops. If you accidentally stick your fingers together, just consider it an impromptu team-building exercise. Seriously though, this is incredibly strong and perfect for filling gaps or reinforcing a weak spot. It's a solid win. Alright, hack number 4. Some might call this creative engineering, but I prefer to call it emergency art. We're using staples and glue. The idea is simple. Use a stapler to pin the 2 cracked parts together, like you're giving it stitches. The staples act as a clamp, holding everything perfectly in place while the glue dries. Is it pretty? Absolutely not. Does it work? Well, sometimes. But is it ridiculously satisfying to do? 100%. It's a brute force method for when you've run out of elegant solutions, and honestly, I kind of love it for its pure chaotic energy. For our final hack, we're trying something that feels a little bit illegal, but is actually brilliant. We're using chicken wire and putty. You take a small piece of metal mesh, place it inside or over the crack to act as a skeleton, and then you seal it all in with putty. It's messy, it's weird, and it is oddly effective. This method adds some serious structural integrity, reinforcing the item from the inside out. The moral of this story? Sometimes the ugliest fix is the one that lasts the longest. It's not winning any beauty contests, but it's definitely winning in the durability department. So, after all that chaos, what did we learn today? Toothpaste was a complete disaster. The hot metal trick was dangerous but satisfying. Superglue and baking soda? A 10 out of 10 stroke of genius. The staples and glue method was industrial chaos, but it has its moments. And the chicken wire and putty? Weirdly, amazingly effective. At the end of the day, perfection is totally overrated. Life and fixing stuff is all about trying, failing, making a mess, and having a good laugh about it anyway. Which one of these hacks would you actually try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more questionable life choices.